to Paris. I knew that Paris is small room. Bye. Bonjour, Akshita plus Rhythm. Welcome to Paris. The running culture is so big here, and we're glad we're getting to be part of this 2025. What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. Day 1 of our Paris trip. We're now flying from Ibiza to Paris and we're starting with our second work trip. This literally feels like Indigo Airlines. It does not have enough cushioning in the seat. Still better than Indigo.
Better than Indigo. Anything is better than Indigo.
I'm not complaining. Sorry. We will not put this. We will not compare everything with this to
Yeah,
India.
what if someday Indigo airline comes to you? Would you like to fly through history?
No. Made it to Paris.
I can feel it.
Feel it what?
The cold.
Yeah. Have we carried any warmers? No. Have we carried any jackets? No. The only hoodie we have is the runner hoodie, which Rhythm did not want to carry with him.
Yeah, thank God I did. Thank you so much. Thank you Team Rana and thank you Aparida for this hoodie.
That's the only thing what we have with us. At least I have few jackets, but they're not comfortable when you travel. So I have 3 jackets with me, which I hope I style in Paris. I don't understand people's obsession with Paris, guys. Sorry.
This is the first time. Maybe you'll understand it now.
Yeah. After I eat those bikes, I just feel so much responsibility of showing you guys everything. It's like for people who just dreamt like us taking an international trip, this is for you guys. We are waiting at the Paris airport for our driver and for 2 other creators with whom we are supposed to go to the hotel. The creator I'm meeting right now, I literally came across her reel yesterday. Even she's a Rana ambassador. Wow, I just feel so proud to say that. This is just the start, and the start with the team has been Paris. Oh, nice to meet you.
I'm Holly.
I'm Akshita.
Nice to meet you.
Sorry.
You won't believe I came across your reel yesterday.
Really?
Yeah,
Which one?
where you made the video and he did the voiceover.
That took so long to edit because
Yeah.
he sent me 6 minutes of voiceover and I was like,
It's so nice to meet you here.
Yeah, you
Are you
too.
excited
Are you
for Paris?
vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
I've got my little... I'm actually petrified because I haven't done a marathon before. Have you done one before?
Yeah, this is going to be my 3rd one.
Wow. Yeah, no, never done one before. And I've been surfing all week
Oh,
in Portugal.
but I'm
so-
sure you're pretty fast.
No,
because-
no, I'm not fast. I'm like quite a new runner still. So
Yeah, but I'm so happy for you. It's your first one.
Yeah, so excited.
It's going to be crazy.
It's going to be quite hot today and tomorrow.
Hot?
Apparently.
We are hoping for it.
Yeah,
Come. When we
I'm
come
not.
from India, we are hoping for it.
How you doing? Hello, nice to see you. Hello. Oh,
Hello.
lovely to meet you. Hello.
I knew that Paris is small room. Bye. ये तो cute. Cute for one person. Rhythm, so I think you should move.
I'll just see if there's another room
Yeah.
for me.
Where's the bathroom? Oh my god.
Even smaller?
No.
But it's so cute. That thing I want to fit over here to have bath.
Yeah, go back to India. Hey, wow! I missed this! Woohoo!
I completely missed that.
Wow, we've got so many merch, guys. Bonjour, Akshita plus Rhythm. Welcome to Paris. We're so excited to have you here with Team Runner, ready to take the iconic Paris Marathon. Let's go, big love. I am genuinely a little tired, so I'm not able to speak to people a lot. So I'm going to energize by drinking a little more caffeine. Would you like to say hi to my vlog?
Yes. What's going on? My name's Chris. We're here to run Paris Marathon 2025. Let's go.
And it's his first marathon, guys.
Downloading before the race.
We're now heading for dinner. I've never tasted a sparkling water.
Have you not?
No.
Oh, moment of truth.
I prefer the normal. You want to taste? Bubbles. No.
Normal water.
Yeah.
This is like a Duke soda.
Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Paris and we're all set to do a shakeout run. But we've got Nidhi for support. The fact that it's been just 2 months, Nidhi shifted to London from Mumbai and we were like, come milenge, kya paga? And 2 months down the lane, we are here.
Welcome to Paris. I hope you're all very, very excited for your marathons tomorrow. Is everyone ready for the marathon tomorrow? Yeah! Who's training with runner? Yeah! Glad there's someone. It's fantastic news. So the idea of today is a very fun, easy, relaxing 5K jog.
Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Loving this shakeout run. So that it's not going to be overwhelming tomorrow when we see the bigger crowd. This is insane! Guys, my Cora's phase 2 GPS is acting so weird and I was not able to track it in Ibiza. I tried to reset multiple times, which was not happening, and the team runner gifted me the Garmin Forerunner 265S. What a timing! I don't think it's that complicated, so I can wear it on the race because I'm not aiming for a time, like, or not pacing myself, so just switching it on. Rhythm, be careful.
Oh, finally. Very good.
Big year. That is insane. And we are glad we are getting to be part of this in 2025. Woo! Everyone's outfit is so on point. It's like a
Lot 3, 707.
yeah.
So yeah, cheers.
Hey! What are the fast runners doing behind? How are you feeling about tomorrow?
I'm feeling excited and ready to go.
Ooh.
I've got a load of speed up in my legs. I just need to like get out.
That's the confidence you need.
Oh,
We know you're gonna do it, easy.
oh, thank you. Fingers crossed.
We are rooting for you.
Oh.
How are you going to manage to run fast and not record at the same time?
I don't know. I think the biggest struggle is getting your phone out the bell
Yeah.
and then putting it back in and then being like, oh, that's pretty. Let's get it back out.
Just telling Izzy, no matter what time you get, it's still going to be a personal best. She's running the marathon distance for the first time.
I am so happy that we have Nidhi over here because she's literally on her phone guiding the entire route.
Yeah.
And we're just following her like if she's our guide.
I think we spoke too soon. Rhythm ने गलत location दिया था क्या? हाँ? We came to the wrong metro stop. We were nicely having our lunch. We had pizza and pasta, and we were like, okay, now let's head to the expo because it's 2:40, and we realized we are at some other location. So now we're trying to find where we need to go. I'm not using my brains. I was like, I'll just vlog. I was like, let's just take Uber, but we have the metro cards, so why to take the Ubers? They are expensive. I'll be honest, and that is why everyone takes the walking route or they take the subway. Even the locals out here. Uber is like the luxury. Finally spot the Eiffel Tower.
I'm very far away.
We are still walking towards the metro station. Rhythm is the only one who can actually understand direction in our group. I don't know why we decided for Rhythm to let it go.
Oh, it starts from here. That's why.
We've made it, guys. Woo! We made it to the expo. Yeah. Feels like a bloody exhibition. It is actually an exhibition. The fact that 4 hours 30 minutes is it's a good timing for you to finish the marathon, but it's the last wave here. Everything is so systematic here that people are actually waiting in the queue. Take a picture where Rhythm.
Basically, you can try the shoes on over here and run on track and in the treadmill and figure out what shoes you prefer.
That is so great.
That is amazing.
Wow! Oh my god! ऐसे ही भागो. The expo is massive and it's pretty crowded because today is the last day for one to collect the bib. First purchase at the expo, guys.
Do men pick this?
Yeah, for sure.
He can even lie to you.
I love them. Yeah, I love them. Yeah. I wear them every day. Yeah. I love them. Yeah.
I have done multiple races, I would say, in India, and every race has different categories. 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, half marathon, marathon in India. But this is the first time I am seeing every runner running the same distance, and that's the marathon, which is very surprising. For an Indian especially, I don't think we have a race like this where it's only, which is so big with just one distance. Like people are just entering, and here we are wondering that we need to go home and relax, and then I'm seeing people with 3 hours trip and all like casually relaxing. People are pretty fast in other countries. It's always so humid in India that it's obviously very difficult for one to even train. Anyways, I'm just happy to be here, happy to be buying things. I am very tired, generally. You can see the tiredness in my eyes. Can't wait to go home and relax. I don't even want to eat dinner. I've eaten so much of pasta and pizza that my stomach is hurting because of all the all-purpose flour. What do you say? What is that feeling called? I don't know. Like, it's just pulling from inside. I need to consume a lot of water. People are just coming and coming. Now we're going to the hotel. The expo was so much closer to our hotel, like not even 10 minutes. But we went all the way to the opposite direction, had pizza and pasta. Oh, I can feel water droplets. That's the reason it's getting so cold. We decided we'll go to the hotel, we'll wear some jackets. The team actually went for lunch at 5 p.m. So everyone could sleep and wake up at 6 a.m. for breakfast and go for a race. But the moment I told Rhythm our start time at 11, he's relaxed, taken a step back. Even though we have to leave our hotel by 9:15 tomorrow morning. Oh my god, did I even realize we're running tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm not.
For some reason, we're so chill. Yeah, tomorrow's a big day, guys. 9:15 is when we have to leave our hotel. That means I need to wake up around 6:36 because I have to also shoot something in the morning. We need to charge our phone, need to transfer. तुम आके तुम जाओगे तो वो जेल ट्रांसफर कर देना. My responsibility.